dozens of breads with dozens of flavors and textures, not just white bread.
Well, which one would make a tasty grilled cheese sandwich?
Sourdough! This could really play with the flavors of the right cheeses.
As long as it gets that cheesy goodness into my gurgling belly.
Oh, it will. And now, let's find the cheese.
To la fromagerie, the cheese shop.
All right, Andy, what are you thinking for the cheese?
Cheddar? Or, American?
Andy, there are plenty of other cheeses besides cheddar and American.
Really? Maybe something melty?
Maybe a Gruyere cheese, Chef Renee's favorite. That reminds me, I need to get moving so I have time to do my French cooking assignment. But first, we need produce.
Produce? Now you're thinking like a French chef. Produce means fruits and vegetables, Andy. To une épicerie. Yeah, for produce, fruits and veggies.
Oh, wow! Fresh basil and tomato. What if I try this or this?
Luna, does Liam really need all these ingredients? We're hungry.
Yeah, do we really need produce? I thought a grilled cheese was just bread and cheese. Not always, Andy. With so many French cooking styles and ingredients, the possibilities for a grilled cheese are endless.
And that should do it. All right, time to put these ingredients together.
Is it ready yet?
I'm so hungry.
Ah, but patience, my belly frowns. You must let the master do his work.
Cooking food is something delightful, and cooking food is grand. Something yummy in every bite, and something made by hand. Cooking food for one of your friends can be fun and done with passion. Cooking food is maybe the oldest and best French fashion. Cooking is looking for foods to combine, making a meal from the things that you find. Cooking can offer an added incentive, 'cause here's your chance to be inventive, new creative food to prepare. Put your plan in action. Cooking food for people to share brings so much satisfaction. Don't pass up the chance to cook a meal in France. This is Impressionism, a style of painting that doesn't show exactly what something looks like, more like how something makes you feel. Train! This painting is called the Gare Saint-Lazare, painted by Claude Monet. Look at the colors, the composition, the energy. I love it, Luna. It really gives you the feeling, the, impression of a train. It sure does, Andy. That's why this style of art is called Impressionism. Impressionism. Impressionists like Claude Monet didn't want their paintings to look perfect like photographs. They wanted them to feel real in a different way, full of energy and life. I want to paint like Monet. Maybe if I don't paint so perfectly and more like Impressionism, my trains will finally feel like trains. I think that's a great plan, Andy. And maybe you can find even more inspiration if you just step back a little bit further. Even further? Okay. Whoa, I can see it. I can feel it. Hop on, Andy. All aboard! Let's go! What look like spots of color soon reveal much more. Dabs of white become a boat. Dabs of purple are the shore. You can smell the flowers. You can feel the grass. You can almost touch the water as you pass. You can hear the raindrops splashing as they fall. With only shapes and colors, the little magical as the world goes by. Those dabs of green become a hillside, and blue becomes the sky.